Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video let's take a look at semiconductors, that is Nvidia, AMD, SMCI, ARM, Broadcom and Micron, and I'll also show you QQQ and SPY in the price section how things are looking like. So Nvidia finally did that $106, the game-changing level that if you have seen my video over the weekend, $106, I explained you via a modeling system. If you haven't done so, check that out. If you have done that, you are already prepared for this massive move above $106 today. We broke above $106 and right now, well, that was it, right? Pretty much it was a bullish move from thereafter, and I talked about first level could be targeted as close to the 20 days moving average. We got very close to that. And now let's talk about what are we watching from here on. So Nvidia, well, yes, it is changing the structure. 106 and above. Again, I would highly suggest, if you haven't checked this video out, the modeling system here above 106 is a bullish structure, full on. Not even just at intraday level, but overall. And why so? Well, because yes, we were going in the downtrend. However, you may still say, Junior Trader, this is still a downtrend. We are still below 20 days moving average, and that's fine. That's fine. But what we can't unsee or not take into account are the pivots and the previous area of resistances that we have taken out. This hanging pivot was the one that was stopping Nvidia from becoming fully in the modeling that I showed you in a bullish structure. Now, yes, so we got about 106 already in the uptrend, and today's this has constituted second pullback, and we have already taken out 106 today and now testing 20 days moving average. Nvidia is bullish, and if I take you to the hourly interval, we are also above 200 hours moving average. You can see first time, yes, a little bit of a rejection, but still, since we stayed above 106 after that, you can see the next candle blew it out of the 200 hours moving average, and then you can see pullback came to 200 hours moving average, found a support and is continuing higher. Nvidia continues to stay in these higher highs, higher lows, getting above 200 hours moving average, $106 level. Our modeling that we did, as I said in the video, has given us the pretty much above 106 area with 200. Even above 106, it was already getting ahead already on the bullish side, and Nvidia is bullish. Now, what from here? Well, if Nvidia closes above 200 hours moving average, that's a great win. If for some reason, let's say it doesn't, right? Let's say if for some reason it starts to cool off by the end of the day, but it still stays above $106, we are still bullish. But I do expect it to stay and close above 200 hours moving average today. So I do expect it to remain bullish today. And also above this, even tomorrow, it will remain bullish. I'll talk about it later as well once the market has closed. But that was that. Things are looking great. After 20 days moving average, so here's the thing. There are two things that can happen here now. Either we slow down here, comes back a little bit down again, and in a couple of days or tomorrow even break out of 20 days moving average after the pullback maybe. Again, since we are in the direction now upside, we don't know if pullback is going to come or not. If it comes and we hold above 200 hours and $106 and we start to go up, most likely we might break 20 days moving average this time then, and the next level we are targeting is 118 again. So yes, Nvidia is back again in its momentum. So anything below 106 is only when I would like to be again more careful, or when something else I see in the price action, which I'm not seeing right now. Nvidia is super strong, $110 right now, unstoppable. AMD. So AMD finally trying to get above this level, 136 and 88 cents. So that's pretty much the level I have been talking about. On intradays, I have already been saying that these are the pivots which are forming, right? And this was the level today. 136 little bit shows us that overall structure is trying to change, but at this point I would say yes, these intraday rebounds are fine, which you can trade with the levels that my indicator automatically marks. But what I'm explaining here is, for me the next big move would be staying above 136 and also getting above 20 days moving average. Its slope is quite strong right now. So I definitely want these both two things to happen, but this is a good sign already that getting out of this 136 and 79 cents. There is my level also there. Taking a look at hourly interval on AMD, and yep, it's still maintaining upside. You can see it's trying to get above finally 200 hours moving average. If AMD can close today above 136.76 cents, that's a good bullish sign on AMD. All right, SMCI trying to come back up today. Let's see if it's strong enough. So let's go to the daily interval first. Okay, so sure, it has taken out one of this previous pivot zone. If it stays above 528 and 18 cents, there's this rebound that may continue. Now it could be up till 628 or 20 days moving average or somewhere there. So but the rebound is happening. If anytime it breaks the level to the downside, just consider rebound being over. But yeah, this was the level, right? The pivot, as soon as we take out a pivot, there's a rebound that starts, guys. Okay, so I don't even have to explain it, right? I'm just explaining you what to look for, right? But when you are trading, like, these are the things you are watching, right? So like 528 was the area, and the lower time frame, you can then capture these moves, right? So that's that. So yeah, looks like it's in the rebound now. Let's see for a couple of days if it continues to stay above this level of 528 area. For a couple of days, there are chances that pullbacks might be just traded to the upside, right? Just remember, overall structure is not bullish. It's just the rebound that's coming, okay? I need to see a little bit more strength before more consolidation, more pivots forming here. Right now, it's just one-off. So not much, but it's possible a little bit. ARM. So ARM is... Okay, that's why it's so important, these areas, guys. It's still not breaking out fully above 119 to 121 area. This box zone, we are still rejecting underneath of that. Yeah, so again, like, if anytime it loses 108 or this trend line or 200 days moving average, it's not a bullish thing. It's just that this consolidation that's happening, this little bit of a stronger move, I only expect above this zone of 120 area. And it's struggling today. So let's go to the hourly interval, and if this weakness is strong enough. Yeah, we are below 200 hours moving average. This rejection, I'm not liking this rejection. Well, it's not the time right now to buy this falling knife. Either we need to see a support at 115 again on this. Yeah, right now it's not showing me the sign that's want to go up. So watch the level now, 115, if it holds. But yeah, right now it's not looking that strong anymore, right? Well, this was the area, right? Through these pullbacks, 121, but next move was above this, which where it's rejecting, right? So no, and it's below 200 hours moving average as well. Broadcom. Let's go to the daily interval. And so Broadcom, well, so trying to get above and out of that trend line, but hasn't really gotten out of above 20 days moving average. It's rejecting over there. Let me get rid of this trend line. We can just use 20 days moving average and this level, 150 and 8 cents. So sure, this move is happening. We still have a pivot. Broadcom can continue higher if it stays above 144 and 66 cents area. What I mean to also say, the structure can be traded to the upside as long as we don't break below 144 and 56 cents. Once we do that, there is no point in trying to play the long on this. That's pretty much what it is. Micron, okay, this rebound today, is this rebound strong enough? So it's taking out the previous pivot, right? And I said that there's a possibility if we start to take out these previous areas like $93.44, some rebound is possible. So that rebound is happening. I won't put all of my money in this thing, but sure, this rebound, this was the area. Let's see if we get to 200 days moving average and or until 20 days moving average. That's the zone. On hourly interval, you can also be watching this 200 hours moving average. Technically, we are below that, so let's see if it slows down there. But pretty much this is the level. If Micron can continue to stay above 93 and 65 cents, it can be looked at as from the bullish perspective. If we break below it, no, stay out of it. All right, I'm going to show you SPY and QQQ as well. Not going to go in much detail, but just want to show you what's happening there. I'll do another video for the detailed analysis. SPY. So this rebound has been continuing. Today is a slow day. But yeah, so this rebound is continuing. Is this rebound strong enough? Well, so this is the level I have been saying, right? Like 524. You know, above this, sure, this rebound will continue. I'm not worried. If any pullback comes, even if that pullback stays above 524, that's still fine, technically, for the bulls. If we lose below 524, then the problem is for the bulls. So you can see on the hourly interval, SPY is rejecting at 200 hours moving average. So if it continues to reject here and we lose 532 and 92 cents, tomorrow might be a negative day on the intraday pullback. That's pretty much what I'm talking about, right? QQQ. Let's go to the daily interval first. And so we are above that level finally, 448, and today you can see we found a support there as well. But with QQQ, I have been saying that eventually 20 days moving average, but there are these hanging pivots down there. So, but yeah, as long as we stay above 448, bulls still are in control. If we break below that, that's where the problem is. So let's go to the hourly interval. Just similar to SPY, you can see we are rejecting at 200 hours moving average, but at the same time, what I'm seeing is that strong price action, that red candle with the wick down there and a strong green candle right above our significant level of 448 area marked by my indicator. I have put the red line here to emphasize this. So it's a good sign. Just saying. If we lose this problem, but looks like we are getting bought back up right above that very important level that I have marked quite significantly. Strong green candle, strong wick on the red candle, so it might just continue high in my opinion above 200 hours moving average, but hey, just have a stop loss regardless, right? Anyways, that's it for this video. Tesla is red unfortunately today. I'll do another video on this, but it's rejecting below 200 days moving average still. Tesla, I mean. Alright, I'll see you in my next videos, guys. Take care. Bye.